myself Sukanya. And I'm pursuing BBA LLB in KLE Society's Law College, Bangalore. Now, currently, I'm in third year now. In my previous internship, I had got an opportunity to work in insolvency and bankruptcy court. The associate used to explain the concepts before allotting me the work. At that point of time, I found this law very interesting, and and it is that is when my interest also arose in this subject. So even this IBC, we don't study as part of a college as a college curriculum. So that is when I decided to do a certificate course in IBC in LawSeco. There are many things which I learned from this course. The first one is to draft the legal documents. So have learned to draft Section 7 and Section 9 and Section 10 applications and many other miscellaneous applications under IBC. Before this course, I didn't know even to draft a single legal document. So I'm very much happy with that. Even the feedback which I get from all these drafting assignments is a very detailed feedback and also very comprehensive feedback also. And from this feedback also, it has very much improved my drafting skills also. And it has also it has very much improved my drafting skills from these feedbacks. So I thank the LawSeco faculty who has evaluated all my drafting assignments. And the second part, what I learned is my to research, because in every month I used to get article writing assignment. And from this article, by writing these articles, it has really improved my research skills, and now I know how to structure my article right from introduction to conclusion, and how to divide it all into the paragraphs. So, and on these article writing assignments also, the feedback was really good. I like the feedback, and also one of these articles also, it got published in iPleader's blog. So it really boosted my confidence, and also it motivated me to write more and more articles in future. Really very much like the live sessions by Vishaka Gupta ma'am. She very detailedly explained all the concepts, and she was very well organized in explaining these concepts. I really very personally like the way she explained all the concepts in IBC, and she also used to explain the case laws. That also I very much liked about it. And even while live sessions, it was very interactive section. Not it was only a one-way session. So even during the live session, I used to ask some of my queries or doubts. She used to resolve it like very very quick response, and also very helpful. It was on all the sessions. It was very insightful sessions. It was amazing session. I personally liked it. And also And also when I was texting her, like if I had any further queries, even after the live sessions got over, when I was texting Vishaka Gupta ma'am, even she also used to respond very quickly. So thank you, ma'am, so for giving such a very very well explanation for all the concepts in IBC. Yeah, definitely I would like to recommend this LawSeco courses to all my friends, to my classmates, because the LawSeco courses, I think it's really very good than compared to all other certificate courses. Whenever I had any some LawSeco support team, I really very much appreciate them, because especially Anubha ma'am and Nimisha ma'am. Sometimes my assignments, they weren't evaluated even after 15 days. So just when I texted Nimisha ma'am, just within a day or within 2 days, my assignment was to get evaluated. Even they used to respond very quickly. So I really thank the support team for giving such a quick response. My overall experience in this LawSeco course is really good, because this LawSeco courses, apart from giving all the theoretical knowledge, they also give such practical aspects into it. This is very much needed in for law students. even while doing internships, because even in doing internships also we don't, I mean, they don't teach like all the like drafting and all. So I really appreciate what Losico has been doing to the students. So thank you, Losico.